to talk about how can you back up on your CallApp. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go here, go above your photo profile, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do now, so you just click here on backup here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. You come here to backup fields. Can you select here or here backup period? Here if you want to backup from Dropbox or Google Drive. And here can you go to premium here to get this for backup premium. So that's all you have to do. That's all. I wish now you I get it. So that's all. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.